this is it, you know, that I can change my life forever. My name is Mary Justine. I'm 12 years old. I'm from Galway, New Jersey, and I'm a singer. I cannot believe that this is actually happening. Before America's Got Talent, I would just perform in front of my family, you know? I basically sing everywhere I could possibly get. I sing doing tours, when we're in the car, at school, especially at school when we're trying to pay attention. I'm just like rocking out, you know?
Are you ready to sing for $1 million?
Yeah.
Go get them!
My first audition was just amazing. Like, I walked out on stage and it looked like a movie.
All together, everyone?
Yeah. My biggest supporter is my mom, and she's always encouraged me to believe in my dreams.
I have 5 kids. Mara's number 4. Mara's got a gift. Even when she was a little girl, I knew something was different about her. I'm so proud of her.
Yeah. Well, you hang with me and she's gonna go do her thing. All right, we're proud either way.
When I step out on stage, I'll be singing for my family and my mom. Hi, how are you guys? Good, how are you? This is like a dream come true, you know, it's my first time in New York, and it's crazy cool.
Well, this is your stage. Go for it.
So how did you think that went?
I am really nervous, actually. Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's perfect.
Perfect.
12
Did you
years
see
old.
her right here, how her whole, cheek was shaking? I mean, she is nervous.
She's the real deal, guys. That's a real singer.
No, I get it.
No.
You know what? To be honest with you, I would rather know right away than sit and
I would
just
too.
do. If we're all in agreement, let's just do this now.
I'm absolutely in agreement. Nick, if you have a minute, can you come out here, please?
Oh, God.
Nick is going on stage.
Whoa. Is he talking with them? I don't know.
Mara, the judges would like to see you.
Now.
You know, it does break your heart a bit.
They're kids.
Yeah, they're kids.
This is the toughest part of it.
Hi, Mara.
They called her out there. They wanted to talk to her directly.
You know, Mara, unfortunately, we can't put everyone through.
I'm a little more scared than I were before.
We have a tough job, and it's hard saying goodbye to people.
It's definitely hard.
Probably the worst part of being a judge is saying goodbye to people, especially young people. I thought you did exceptionally well, but this is a tough season. But I want you to know something. In a tough season, you were insanely great. On behalf of all the judges, I'm putting you straight through to the next round. Because you were phenomenal.
Thank you guys so much.
We'll see you at Radio City Music Hall.
Yes.
We don't do this a lot, but you deserve it.
This is going to be so hard now for the other kids.
Can you believe they just let that one girl through?
Yeah, she must be really good.
When we have to be one of those acts that goes straight through the final.
I know, I heard.
Have to be. That just made like every bit of my dream come true. I'm going to